I'm Mark.
I'm Phil.
And I'm Paul.
And we're the Pitfire Boys.
And when we're not at Bunnings, we're in a haze of blue smoke cooking up a storm.
And we're going to show you everything you need to start smoking.
Hi, I'm Paul, and I'm going to show you how to smoke some pulled pork. All you need is some pork shoulder, your favourite spice mix. Later on, we're going to add some butter, some brown sugar, some apple juice. Let's get cracking. So we need to trim the pork shoulder. To do that, you need to trim off all the extra fat. When rubbing with the spice mix, you want to be generous. You want to cover it all. Your flavour will come out in your final cook as part of the process, and it will give you a nice bark. Usually you would want a minimum of 2 hours on the rack to enhance that smoke flavour. Then after that you can wrap it. You need to stay at a consistent temperature of 107 to 110 degrees Celsius. So after you've racked it for a couple of hours, you take your pork shoulder off your rack, you place it into a foil tray, and that's when you add all your liquids, and then you wrap it with aluminium foil and put it back into the rack. Once your pork shoulder's wrapped, it's important to check it every hour. What we're looking for there is just to peel the foil back and check that we've got a consistent level of liquid coming halfway up the foil tray. So when you're happy with your texture of your pork shoulder, you need to pull it out of the smoker and rest it for a minimum of 1 hour. So now it's time to pull your pulled pork. A couple of methods you can use to do this is one, you can use a fork, or if you cook it to perfection, you should be able to pull it with your hands. This is one of my faves. It's taken a while. Can't wait to get into it.